Looks like someone's car alarm's going off.
Freaking the cat out.
Probably. Probably. The sequel to the OG that was posted like 5-6 years ago. Just a tad bit low pitched.
Alright.
It's not a van this time.
Jimmy?
It's still going.
This thing's so... tight on here.
Yeah. You can still hear it. There we go, they just shut it off. Alright, well. There you go. That's it. Someone's car alarm was going off. Yeah. It's going again. Focus his pulse. There we go. You can kind of see the light a little bit. There you go. That's loud. Holy crap, that is loud.